Today in this video I will continue reported speech. In the previous videos I had already discussed affirmative sentences, assertive sentences and interrogative sentences. In this video I will continue imperative sentences. Imperative sentences. When reported speech will be in imperative sentence, how the direct speech will be changed into indirect speech. While changing direct speech into indirect speech, said will be changed into ordered, advised, requested according to sense of the sentence. Inverted comma will be changed into to. Rest part of reported speech, rest part of reported speech will be same only pronoun will be changed. Only pronoun will be changed. It means when reported speech is in imperative sentence, then said will be changed into ordered, advised, requested according to sense of the sentence. Then inverted comma will be changed into to, and rest part of the reported speech will be changed, will be same, only pronoun will be changed. Now example, the teacher said be quiet and have patience. Indirect speech will be, here the teacher ordered inverted comma will be changed into to. Be is in capital, it will be in small. To be quiet and have, past of have will be had patience. Another example, Ravi said to Mohan, comma inverted comma, take rest. So here Ravi is advising Mohan, so said will be changed into advised. Ravi advised Mohan, inverted comma will be changed into to take rest. Here T that is in capital, that will be turned into small, full stop. Next rule, when reported speech will start with don't. When reported speech will start with don't or do not. How that direct speech will be changed into indirect speech. Said